Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Kato Scholar. Today we're going to have a tutorial on how to make a land use land cover change map with Google Earth Pro. Just for emphasis, this method works for small study areas that usually you can't really get clear images from our usual website, that is GeoGIS, etc. So the first thing you need to do is you need to identify your region of interest, your area of interest, or your study area. And for me I've chosen my local area as my study area. So first things first, you can also insert a shapefile as your study area. That's if you already have a shapefile for your study area. So after doing that, for me, I've already made a sample of my region of interest, so I'm just gonna highlight it there. So that's the first thing that I've done. As you can notice, my study area is the outline is slightly highlighted more than usual. So I've put the width of about 3. It depends on how you would want your width to come up as. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to identify classes. So for my classes in this area, I've identified that this area along the riverbank, or along these streams, is mostly cropland, is identified here. This is our cropland, and we also have built up areas which dominate most of the land cover in this area. Then we also have bare land, in some areas. So what we're going to do next is we're going to create polygons for each and every class that we have identified. So perhaps let's start off with cropland. I had already made a sample shapefile for cropland. So as you can see, this is a polygon of the cropland, and I've used the color green to identify my class. So you go to properties, then style or color, then you highlight field, then capacity, you turn down your capacity to 50%, and then that's about it. So you get this nice representative feature that shows that gives a good visualization of the cropland, as well as that's a highlighted as well as this highlighted region, that's our cropland. So you have to create polygons, or rather, yes, polygons for each and every class that you have created. So the next thing you're going to do this. Then I'm going to name this my built up area. So I'm going to come here, for example, this region. I'm going to precisely follow where the build-up area is. That's my build-up area. Then I'm going to use the red color to represent my built-up area. So the idea of doing this is to come up with this whole area is supposed to be filled with shapefiles, or rather polygons, of each and every different class that is available to us. For me to save time, I'm just gonna rush through and create these polygons so that we can show you the end product. So once done, ideally you should come up with something like this. So this would be your land use land cover map. So for visualization, it's going to be much easier for you. You just use the basic snipping tool for Windows. That's Windows. You just press Windows Shift and to visualize this, you just need to use your simple snipping tool. That's you just press your Windows button, Shift and S, then you highlight the area that you have finished completing for the land use land cover map. So the next thing you're going to do is that you are going to add that snipped file into your Microsoft PowerPoint. I have already done that for my map, so I will show you what it's going to look like. So visually, this is how the map is going to look like. You just for the north arrow, you just go into your ArcGIS, copy any north arrow that of your liking, then you paste it into your Word. Then this you can create by inserting shapes, and then you just click on the colors that represent each and every class of yours. Then for this to come out as this, you just hit save as, then browse. Then you can just save it as a JPG interchange format. Then yeah, as you can see, I've already saved mine, so I don't need to save this again. So yeah, that's basically how you can come up with a land use land cover change using Google Earth Pro for small areas. You can like, subscribe, share if you like the video, and in our next tutorial we're going to talk about how we're going to verify, or how we're going to do the accuracy assessment for this. Enjoy your day.